Let's take a look at problem number 50. This is more multiplication. I've got square root of 5x times square root of x minus 6 square root of 5. Now this is a distributive property. It says simplify, but we're actually going to multiply. And you have to look where the pluses and minuses are. And that's what tells you what to multiply by what. So the square root of 5x, I'll multiply times the square root of x and times the negative square root of 5. Now I didn't say it, but we would simplify our radicals if necessary, but we don't need to here. So let me write out what I just said. We're going to take square root of 5x times the square root of x, and we'll take the square root of 5x times negative 6 square root of 5. Well, there's nothing in front of these radicals, so I'm just going to multiply what's underneath them. So I got 5x times x, and you put them under a single radical. Now we don't actually multiply it together yet, so don't get too excited and start doing that. Oops. Here we do got a number out in front, so the negative 6 remains out in front, and we'll take the 5x and we'll multiply it times the 5 and put it under a single radical. So again, you multiply what's underneath the radicals and put them under a single radical. Well, remember, we're looking for pairs of something. Here's a pair of x's that's going to come out. So we have x square root of 5. And over here, we have a pair of 5s. So a pair of 5s is going to come out. Now when it comes out with multiplication. So it's 6 times 5, and then we're left with the square root of x in there. So we got x square root of 5 minus 30 square root of x. X square root of 5 minus 30 square root of x. Looks like B is in Bill. So 50b. With checks.